G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Freshening easterly trade winds are merging with ex-tropical cyclone Esther to create a complex weather pattern that's already caused heavy showers around the central coast, and those showers will spread to the rest of Queensland over coming days. Daytime temperatures are starting to fall as winds freshen and the sky turns cloudy, but last night was another hot one for North Queensland with bottom temps in the mid-20s. The range in Cairns was 23 to 32 degrees. On the satellite loop now, two influences. Firstly, there's a coastal trough, which you'll see in a moment, that's produced this enhanced shower activity along the central coast, which is now drifting south but should break up tomorrow. Meanwhile, ex-tropical cyclone Esther is producing heavy falls over western Queensland, which are gradually moving east and will eventually consume Queensland. On today's chart, we have a ridge of southeasterlies that are strengthening because of this high in the Tasman Sea, and that extra moisture is merging with this surface trough. Meanwhile, the ex-cyclone, which is this low, is starting to move into western Queensland. On tomorrow's chart, the low starts to intensify, the northerly winds converge into it, heavy rain starts to spread further east into the Downs and Central Highlands and eventually to the coast. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, north to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, becoming light and variable for both Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow we've got low tide around the middle of the day, but it's still a neap tide from the half moon 2 days ago, so the tide isn't actually that low. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers will develop mainly in the south tomorrow. There could be storms. Cairns 25 to 33 degrees, hot night that is. Atherton 30, Innisfail and Mareeba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, a wet weekend by the looks, with showers persisting into next week. Temperature variations won't be huge over the coming 7 days, but you can bet on more of these warm, sticky nights. For Atherton, I'm afraid you won't get any relief just because you go up on the Tablelands. We're still pushing 30 degrees most days and the nights will stay warm. At the BOM, we talk a lot about upper-level troughs. Unfortunately, they don't show up on the regular surface weather chart, and your screen would be way too busy if we tried to show you every level in the atmosphere. So, if you're still mystified, think of them as gigantic bulldozers pushing accumulated water vapour across the state. The pressure wave ahead of the bulldozer lifts the water vapour and cools it into cloud, with clear, dry air trailing behind. Hope that helps clarify any confusions. Have a top evening, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having you company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything or you'd like to see something again, you can catch our replay over on 7.2. From all of us, good night.
Good night.